fine with that.
Okay.
Even
Okay.
I wanted it.
Okay, done. So let me share my screen. So please
Mhm.
confirm once you are able to see the screen.
I can see.
Okay, done. So let us start with what is Tableau. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we'll work on Tableau public. Have you downloaded public, Tableau public, or I need to give any suggestion or link?
If you can provide me a link, that would be better because I haven't
Mm.
downloaded anything yet.
Okay. So what you can do is, so if you go to Tableau, like any Google search or anything,
Hmm.
just type Tableau public, public download.
Okay.
Okay, once you have done this, it will be
Hmm.
showing the download path.
Hmm.
I hope you are doing in the from your side.
No, I'm just okay. I'm
Okay.
doing it now. Just hold on, please.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Because simultaneously, even you can practice when I am
Yeah,
teaching.
yeah, got it. Tableau public. Tableau.
Tableau public download.
Mm-hmm. Tableau public. Let me check where is the public version. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
So should I download this?
Yes, you need to click on first download. So it will
Mm-hmm.
take you to one more window.
Mm-hmm.
So there it will ask you to enter everything, or you
Mm.
can just click on the download app and see. So once you click on the download the app, so it is asking just enter any information. You can enter dummy information also,
Okay.
personal email ID.
So it's only takes 15 seconds to fill out. So I have to fill out this as well.
Yeah, you have to. Uh, yeah, you have to fill out. Until you fill, it is not allowing to download the app.
Okay.
You can give your name, last name, and your email ID, personal email ID. You can give.
Okay. I will provide.
Then if you click on the download app, so it will be under your download folder. So you can install that.
I can put USA zone. Write it. Of America. Yes, state. Yes. Okay, download the app.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now after downloading, please try to install that.
Uh, it's showing thank you for downloading Tableau Desktop Public Edition. If your
Yeah.
download doesn't begin automatically, try again for Mac.
Yes.
So build powered Tableau Analytics portfolio. I'm in the page of Tableau Public Salesforce.
Okay. So just check in
Oh,
download folder. It might have downloaded. So which one you are using? Mac or
I'm just using that
Windows
Windows.
on Windows
Yeah,
operating system only, right? Then no issue.
yeah. Uh, it might have been downloaded.
Yeah, it might have downloaded. You can go to download folder. So there it will be.
No, I can't see that.
Okay, you're not able to see that. Okay.
That folder, Tableau folder is not there. Just hold on. Maybe
Okay.
I'm missing something or what.
Or
Can
direct,
I share my screen
yeah, you can share your screen. No issue. So I'll just stop sharing my screen.
so that I'm just sharing my screen. You can see mine and just let me know what I have to do. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, please share your screen.
Share screen. Okay. It's showing host disabled participants screen sharing.
Okay.
Maybe you would have to.
Hello. Yeah, now you can try.
Yeah. We hope you can see mine.
Yes, yes, I can see. Yeah,
So
now,
this is my
yeah, you can
desktop.
go to this one. Okay. Um, okay. Windows. Click on Windows.
Okay, that yeah.
Yes,
Mhm.
that's it.
Oh, that I was missing. Huh?
Yes, no problem. So once it is getting downloaded, so once it completed downloaded, you can install that.
Oh, I would have to go to download folder and I would have to install, right?
Yes, or you can click on that download that icon you have, right? After
Mhm.
downloading, just click on that. So it will show you the 100 percentage. Once it is 100 percentage, you can install it. Yeah, it is still doing. I had done.
Full
It is
download.
telling. Yes, done. Now click on that icon, Tableau Public. Okay, still it is doing. I think so because it will show you
Yeah,
folder.
it's
Yeah,
done now.
yeah.
Yeah.
Now done. So so go to folder and install it. I have read the agreement. Don't send product. Okay, no problem.
Should I go back?
No, not required, not required, no issue.
Okay, so I should do yes, right?
I'm not seeing that yes dialog box. You can give yes for everything. Then let it
Mhm.
get progress.
Hope you can see now. It's installing. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So have you worked on Tableau before? Never or never.
No, I haven't worked on, but I was interested because I saw a little bit that the creation of report and all. So
Okay.
my interest was there, so I'm learning.
So you have not done any hands-on experience.
No, no.
Okay,
My
no problem.
husband knows, but thing is that he's pretty much
Mm-hmm.
occupied. That's why
He's always
I'm not
busy.
able. Yeah, he's
Okay.
always busy. So he
The,
mostly asked me to take training from outside.
then you have a real-time data. Yeah, right.
Everybody sees like this, but I don't know uh,
See, you
what's
have
the
a real-time
problem.
data. You can practice. So once you will get trained, you can practice with the real-time data. Your husband is having the data, right? But again, you should work on your husband system itself, not in your
Yeah,
system. Mm.
but
Okay,
he's
no
not
problem.
working on Tableau currently. He's working with something.
Mm-hmm.
He is data
Mm.
analyst and business analyst and data architect. So he has a
Mm.
multiple profile. He
Oh,
knows Tableau very well. He had worked on that so for a
okay,
few months,
okay.
7 means up almost 1 year. So, but
Yeah.
still, he wanted to
Mm.
take me training. He said that if you will stuck somewhere in future, I will let you know.
Okay.
So
Might be
you
he will
take
help once you have get a touch in Tableau. So might be he will help you. Okay.
possibly. I'm not expecting much. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
dependent on you. You just
Mm.
train me so that I
Mm-hmm.
will be proficient on my own.
That is there, of course. It's a in general, it is self-analytical tool, right?
Yeah.
There won't be any dependency when it comes to any of these tools like Power BI, Tableau.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can stop sharing screen. So let us start
Okay.
with today's session.
Mhm.
Okay.
I stopped it. Yeah.
Okay. I hope you can see my screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Let us start with the day one. A little theory, then we'll go for practical. Okay.
Okay. Can you give me a second, please? I have to
Yeah.
grab a pen. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll be sharing this file for you. Is that okay?
Yeah, please go ahead. Thank you.
Yeah. I'll be sharing this PPT
Sorry. Okay.
as okay, as well as we'll be having some AI recap. So once I
Okay.
get that, even that I'll be sharing to you. Okay, you can give me your mail ID so that I can
Mm-hmm.
share it into that.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
No problem.
so let us start with Tableau overview. So introduction to Tableau, data connections and features. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Let me start with what is data analysis.
Data analyst actually they work with the data set of business, and
Okay,
they just try to figure out the data needs of business, how much means data is related to sales, different field of
okay,
business, sales, finance, and all. So they just
mm,
analyze data, how the datas are working, how much failure is there, what business needs to know and understand for the business improvement and organization, those things.
yes.
So they
So
usually work on
mhm,
play with the data of the
correct.
database. Yeah.
Can I make it very simple? Like it is like telling story with data.
Yeah.
Correct. And
Correct.
in a technical way, if I can say is it is a process of identifying, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover meaningful or useful information. Will you agree?
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay. So whatever you said is correct with the examples you had given. So when an interviewer asks, we can say this way also, right?
Yeah, we should. Yeah, I'm not preparing like that. I know that
Okay.
in interview we have to give only
Mm,
2 3 words and very
yes.
specific selection of word. Yeah.
Yes. Again, they will expect more technical words, technical
Yeah.
terms. They will expect. I mean, they want
Mm-hmm.
two things. One is technical term, and then an example.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And let me go for data analysis. So, as what you said, the same thing. Data analysis is the process of examining, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data. So, as I said, to discover a meaningful information.
Mm-hmm.
So, which will help us to take a better decision. So, this is
Mm-hmm.
the best example. It may be fun also. It is like being a detective. Do you agree?
Mm. Obviously, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What is the job of detective? To solve the crimes. But here we are not doing that. We are just uncovering the insights hidden in data. It is
Mm-hmm.
similar to what detective does. Similar to that, even we are playing with data. They are playing with crimes.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Then Tableau. So any idea when they have introduced this Tableau?
A decade ago, what I remember.
Yeah. Almost 2003. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So later Salesforce has bought the Tableau. It is
Mm-hmm.
a leading business intelligence tool, so which allows users to take data from various sources
Mm-hmm.
and make it a good visualization. So in general, Tableau desktop is the people use. Again, it is a license version, so it is around only 14 days trial we have. Again, we have to purchase around $70 I feel per month. Okay, yearly subscription also there. Okay. So as per Gartner Magic Quadrant for BI, Tableau is in top two.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Any
what
idea?
one?
Yes,
What
please.
what are those top two apart from Tableau
Top two is Tableau. Top one is
and another?
Microsoft Power BI.
Power BI. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So, do you
So
provide Power BI training as well?
yeah. So from
Okay.
8:30 I will provide Power BI. Then 9:30 I will provide for this one Tableau.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So what? I think more before 3 years or 4 years. like Tableau was number one. So later Power BI had come number one because they have, I can say, for using free, I mean, for free using, they have attached all AI tools. Whereas if you want to work on Tableau for AI, you have to pay or you get a trial for 14 days.
Yeah.
Okay. We have one Tableau Pulse. Recently, they have released that Tableau Pulse, where you can just if you question that, it will give all the information. Like Tableau Pulse, we have Tableau Agent, we have. So agent is like similar to Chat GPT. Whenever you ask question, it will give you the answer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Similar to Chat GPT, when you ask something, it will try to give the formulas. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the various Tableau products. So Tableau Desktop, it is useful for creating, analyzing, and even sharing interactive visualization from we can take from various data source. Again, we have Tableau Online. So it is a version of Tableau Server, and again we have one more Tableau Server as well. It is for organization purpose.
Mm.
Then Tableau Reader is a free desktop where you can just view. You cannot do any modification, just an interaction. Then Tableau Public, which we are using. It's a free and there is no security for this Tableau Public.
Mm.
If it is a if it is a very confidential data, do not practice on Tableau Public.
Mm.
Okay, because it is
Got it.
open for everyone.
Mm.
So it is a free cloud-based version of Tableau designed for creating and it is a sharing public facing. So if they feel your Tableau, I mean, if you have created any dashboard and if you have published, anybody can
Mm.
see in this world.
Oh. Mm.
Okay. If you have published and if they feel okay, there will be some community. If they feel your dashboard is better than others, they'll give whiz of the day,
Mm.
visualization of the day. So each person will get promoted as for one day. Each person will get visualization of the day. So there you
Mm.
will get more. What do you say? Even recruiters, everyone will be seeing that who has done
Mm.
this. So they directly contact those persons also. Something innovative. If we do automatically, even company will check for that.
Mm.
Right? Exposure
Got
we
it.
will get. Exposure we will get. Okay. So data connections. So these are the basic data connections we have: spreadsheet and database. What is spreadsheet? I hope you know this spreadsheet.
Yeah, that Excel thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Excel, database, and big data. Big data, any idea?
No, I have heard about it. That is a
Like,
combination. Need
yeah. So for
technologies.
example, you can take Hadoop and we
Five.
have on Amazon. Like
Mm.
that, many things are there. Why they're telling big data means it's not like large data.
Mm-hmm.
Large data of scale of data they can handle in that with the help of those applications.
Mm.
Okay, then data warehouse. Any idea about data warehouse? What is
Yeah.
data warehouse? Yeah, what is data
Data
warehouse?
warehouse
Mm-hmm.
is the collection of all data which we extract from like different sources, and
Mm-hmm.
after filtration or like uh, means clearing data, we just transport all the data in warehouse so that anyone could just give the data according to business needs for like reporting, for analysis, and
Okay,
for business needs. Yeah.
okay. So can you give me the example? Data warehouse, which application they are using?
uh, a data warehouse, so we can just use that as a informatica tool through which we can just do extract, transform, and load. And
Yeah.
suppose I'm working with a SAP, so and someone is working in Excel, someone is working on text files. So we just accumulate all those data and do
Mm-hmm.
filtration. I mean, the unwanted data we just remove, and keep all the um, uh, good data which is needed by business in the warehouse
Okay.
according to different business needs,
Then what is
business
data?
profiles.
What is database then?
Database is like the collection of data. which is stored in database.
Okay. The main difference, as per my understanding, what you said is correct only. So database is just for storing the data. We cannot do
Mm.
much analyzing. Analyzing is possible, but not like these business intelligence tools, right?
Because that there
Mm.
could be some unwanted data as well, and in
Yes,
data warehouse only the filtered and clean data comes up, so
exactly.
business works on that. Mm.
Yes. So when we want to store historical large data, we will use for warehouse. Am I right?
Warehouse, yeah.
Okay. The best example of warehouse for analytical tool, if I say these things, Power BI,
Mm.
Tableau,
Mm.
Quicker, all this SAP, everything is called it is working on one technical word we say OLAP. Any idea?
Yeah, that is online
Hmm. A stands
OLAP.
for
I have understand.
same thing, analytical. Okay,
Analytical
OLAP,
process.
yes.
Huh.
OLAP means online analytical
Online
processing.
analytical processing, and
Processing.
it is like
Mm-hmm.
there are two things,
Mm.
OLAP and
O-
OLTP.
Very
Like
good.
and OLAP is like historical data, and no, OLTP is like transactional data which you are doing currently. Suppose
Correct.
any transaction which we are doing in anywhere like retail industry or
Correct.
somewhere. So whatever the current data is going on, that is OLTP, and OLAP is the
Eh,
historical data. Yeah.
correct. Example for OLTP, which application?
OLTP example, suppose
SQL. SQL
simple,
itself
suppose I
OLTP,
am
right?
just, yeah, SQL is OLTP because we are
Mm.
working currently and getting data.
Yeah,
And in
transactions.
March, suppose I am just
Mm.
doing some transaction like paying
Mm.
bill or so the current data which they are storing, that is
Correct.
OLTP.
Correct. So then we can access like cloud applications, for example, Amazon, Azure, all these things, and cloud databases. We have 100 plus different data, I mean, 100 plus data connectors we have, right?
Yeah. Salesforce is also there, right? Cloud database.
Yes, of course, this is
Mm.
the company belongs to Salesforce only, right?
Tableau, yeah.
Tableau
Mm.
itself, it is for Salesforce only. They have more connectors. As I mentioned, I don't know for you or different person I have mentioned, if there is no data connectors, for example, 200 plus is there. Out of that, we don't have only 200 plus application in this globe, right? More than that.
Mm-hmm.
More than that we have. So for
Mm-hmm.
example, it is out of the box. That
Mm-hmm.
connector is not existing in Tableau. How to solve the
Mm-hmm.
issue? Any idea?
Mm-hmm.
How to resolve that issue?
That would be very difficult. Mm.
How about, can I tell, how about, do you have any idea about API?
Yeah, application programming interface.
Yes.
Mm.
Can we create that into API and later that API can be imported to this Tableau?
That I'm not aware. We can
Okay.
import, right?
Yeah,
Mm.
technically what that is the what they're doing. In technically, so people what to
Mm.
do, what they will do is when the connector is not there, they will create an API from their data source, and that API will be connected to Tableau or Power BI. Then they will import the data.
Okay.
And
Mm.
we have one more called OData. So from that also they can take it. So company
Mm-hmm.
data most of the time, if they don't have their application in these softwares, they will be using this OData, or one more is what?
API.
APIs. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me like how many how many ways we will get data? So for example, there used to say like three ways. May I know what are those?
I'm not getting your question.
So for example, do
Mm-hmm.
we get all the data in structured? What do you mean by
Uh,
structured data?
Structured data, there is a format like
Okay.
in row and column format, so that we
Yes.
can see that we can just visualize those data according to filtration, right?
Yeah. So in simple, if I say organized data,
Organized data, yeah. Mm.
yeah. How about opposite of the structured data?
Text format, you can say.
Yeah. What is that? called as
Text
struct.
txt. That structure is known as
Okay, so what I'm saying is
unorganized data.
So there are three things. One is structured data, another is semi-structured data, another is unstructured data.
Hmm.
Okay, structured data, as you said, it is organized. For example, you can say SQL, Azure database. These are structured. Why do you say structured? Because they are storing in the form
In
of
table format.
tables itself,
Hmm.
two-dimensional.
Hmm. Hmm.
How about semi-structured? Can you give me the example of semi-structure?
Semi-structure. We can say that text format. We can just separate comma separated file and all.
Yes. Okay, that
Yeah.
is okay. Then what else? Any more example you have?
Semi-structured data. We can
Do you agree, JSON? JSON?
JSON. Yeah. JSON
Okay.
data.
Yes, it is just a key and value pairs, right? So it is a
Yeah.
semi-structured data. Okay, and one more
Hmm.
is XML, extended
Hmm.
markup language. Okay, these are
Hmm.
called a few example of semi-structured data.
Hmm.
So why?
Hmm.
Because why do we say semi-structured? It is structured but not complete,
Hmm.
similar to tables.
That is not in tabular format. Yeah.
Yeah. So this JSON, for example, if I give you an real-time example, I hope so. Whenever you do some transaction, okay,
Hmm.
whenever you do some transaction in your bank account, you will be getting some message, right? Credit, debit,
Yeah.
all those things. Okay. Before coming to that, as per my observation, as per my senior, also they said what will happen means it will be stored in the format of JSON. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Why it
In
is
semi.
storing in the yeah, why it is storing in the form of JSON means it is a less weight. Compared to other things, it is a less weight, it seems.
Okay.
Okay. How about unstructured data? Any idea? Unstructured data, the data, if I say unstructured, it is not organized well. Not
Hmm.
at all, not at all organized. Any example?
Any text format, whatever
No.
we are using. Hmm.
Text format, it won't come. So,
Files.
for example, let me take a real time. So, I want to analyze from so and so people Facebook posts.
Oh.
Okay,
Hmm.
Facebook post is an unstructured. It is very difficult to make it as structured for structured data, right? Do you agree?
Hmm. Hmm.
Email, email also one more we have unstructured data, and one more many we have few things I am telling. One more is audio video files. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Audio video file, these are things are unstructured data. Okay, that we call it as blob. Any idea about blob?
No.
This video
No.
files, binary large object. So it will be
Okay.
stored in the format of ones and zeros. Binary large object.
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
Okay, why I'm teaching this and all? This is the main foundation. They want to know how what do you know
Hmm.
about data first of all, like that.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay, then so in this we have device compatibility like desktop, tablet, and phone. Right,
Hmm.
we can view in the form of desktop, in the tablet, or phone itself. Phone means anytime, anywhere we can check for our report or dashboards.
Hmm.
Okay. Then these are the different chart types we have. So few have mentioned. So around we have around 24 different types of charts where Tableau is giving to us. So in that we have bar chart, line chart, pie chart, scattered plot, and heat map, tree map. These are the charts. Okay. Like any conditions or any rules we have that only these charts we have to take, any sort of rules we have when we create any charts.
Uh, like suppose bar chart is
Mm-hmm.
we just use in the we use x and y axis, and in that
Okay.
two-dimensional or three-dimensional space, whatever we are using x y z axis, we just try to show our data in the form of
Okay. For
like
example, if I say that, sorry to interrupt you. So,
no
for
problem.
example, bar chart, column chart for categorical things we can take.
Yeah.
Okay. So for example, if I want to see some time, okay, so time
Mm.
interval things, the best chart, which is the best chart for this?
Line chart.
Very good. So line chart. Suppose if I want to see a large scale of sales, okay.
Mm.
So by seeing the picture itself, our stakeholders need to understand, okay, there only the sales happen large scale. So
It
which is the
should be
better one?
pie chart.
Yeah, pie chart also
Pie
one,
chart.
one more also we have, right? Pie chart also good.
Mm,
One more.
bar.
Yeah, but like logical, I can say one more is called in hierarchical way. I'm asking about hierarchical way, or
Oh,
I can
tree
say
map.
hierarchical way. You can see here, right? If you
Yeah.
want to display hierarchical data with nested rectangles, so
Mm.
tree map will help you more.
Mm-hmm.
Because, for example, if you take pie chart, what happens is if you have more categorical things, you cannot add, keep on adding. Suppose, for example, only three we have. That
Mm.
is very easy and understandable when we create for pie chart.
Mm-hmm.
For example, 20 categories we have. It doesn't look good when we select for pie chart.
Mm-hmm.
It won't show correct. So, I mean, it will be showing, but even the user or client won't be understanding about what you are trying to tell. Okay.
Okay.
So, always we have to make sure pie chart we have to use for less category things.
Okay.
Okay. And for example, mm, so my category is lengthy. Okay, for example, I have given the name, country name is getting lengthier letters. So that time, which
Mm.
chart is better, bar chart or column chart?
Mm, big for big data you're talking about?
Not about big data. So for example,
No, means a huge amount of data I'm talking about in that sense.
no, for example, like this. Okay, label I am telling. So label has lengthy more. You have
Mm.
to enter the label also, right? So
Mm.
whenever column chart is there, what happened? If the label is lengthy, it won't look good. Okay.
Yeah.
So for that, the better is bar chart.
Mm-hmm.
That only they're telling. When we want to compare category using rectangular bars, okay. So when the
Mm.
description or the label is lengthy, always we have to make sure we are using bar chart.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, we can use column chart.
Okay.
Okay. What is the use of scatter plot?
Scatter plot, like I have seen an example of that, like in the dot and bubbles format. That is, all
Okay.
the data are scattered. So, suppose in region wise something we are showing the map of world or something. So that we
Yes.
can show in the dot or like bubble format,
Correct.
which is
So,
scattered all over the
mhm, mhm,
x and y axis
correct.
dimension. Yeah.
Yeah. Right. So it is a visualization relationship which will show the between two variable with points. It will check for correlation. So for example, if you take one x-axis and y-axis, so
Mm,
let me take some products. Okay. So for
mm,
example, I am taking some products. Let me take some bicycle or some car, something. So
mm,
here we have one bicycle. So here we have other products. So they will see which is the highest performance, which is the highest sales. So these are almost near to near, right? Okay, near to near this sales in. Okay, but this is outlier. The performance or sales is more.
mm,
So they'll try to understand. Okay, there is not much concentration is required to sell this product by sig.
mm,
The other product is somewhat nearby, so we need to concentrate on this. So what? So that even this should come beyond this, or a good sale should happen. Okay, for that, what they are doing, they'll try to add this scatter plot. Got it?
yeah.
Okay. Then histogram. So what is the use of histogram?
Distribution
Any example?
to analyze data spread. No, I have histogram. What I am understanding.
Real time example you can give. Shall I give population?
Yeah.
Okay, for example, from age, let me take from 5 to 10, how many people are there? 10 to 20, how many people are there?
Hmm. Age
We
wise. Hmm.
age wise we can do, population we can do, and we can check for example, in real time, like in company wise. So how many people are getting this much salary from about
Hmm.
$20,000, $50,000? So we can get the count. So for that,
Hmm.
best example is histogram.
Hmm. Do you have any pictorial format of all the like
Charts, right?
charts? For, yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, I will share you. No issue.
Hmm.
Okay, I have that pictorial also. I will share that. Okay.
Hmm.
Then heat map. Heat map will help us to identify the patterns.
Hmm.
Whenever we have low or high for
Hmm.
intensity, it will show data intensity and density.
Hmm.
Okay. It's a very good, it's a very useful analyze tool
Hmm.
for heat map and all. Then, as I mentioned, tree map for hierarchical data, you can take a tree map.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. So, when it comes to data structure, dimensions or tables, so we call it as categorical things, they have separated as dimension tables, dimension or tables. Then the next is
Hmm.
values and all, they have mentioned as measures.
Hmm.
So, automatically, it'll try to understand the data structure.
Hmm.
Clear?
Yeah.
So, these are the data types we have, like, so around six:
Hmm.
text, number, geography, date and time, and string boolean.
Hmm.
I hope you understand the boolean, right?
Yeah. 0 1 format.
Yes, true or false or zero and ones. Okay. Then why we have to use Tableau?
Tableau we use to because large number of data, if we are
Mm,
looking in the
mm,
screen in a form of spreadsheet or like Word doc or anything, so
mhm,
that if the data is in huge amount, we can't means understand properly. So to
mm.
when we see in visualized format anything, that is more easier to understand. Suppose business people are not all or users are not all technical people. So if we
Correct.
are just portraying those with in the report format, Tableau report format, the pictorial form, they can understand easily, and they can understand how the business is doing and which area they are lagging. So this is needed for especially for business users, and the technical people can also use that, right?
Right. So what they are from their side, Tableau is telling is it is paid compared
Mm,
to other applications and user friendly,
mm,
and it is a beautiful and interactive dashboard you can create with the help of Tableau. So direct
mm,
connections you can have, live connections, and it is
mm,
very useful for easy publishing and sharing to your colleagues.
mm.
Okay, and currently this is a growing market. So the
Yeah.
both are playing now. Like you are the number one, or I am the number one. Tableau and even Power BI also. Okay.
Mm,
So in real time, what I can say is, as I mentioned in the demo class also. So
mm,
whenever you try to import a huge data, that is large data, so Power BI might get hang. Okay,
mm,
because
mm.
why it is getting hang? As I mentioned, everything they have loaded into one app. In one umbrella, they have loaded everything.
Yes.
Cleaning data. Then
Mm,
what? Cleaning data is a big engine, Power Query. They have
mm,
done it. Then modeling data. Again,
mm,
one more engine. And at last, report. Since they have embedded everything into one application, The more data you try to load, it will get slow.
Yeah.
So, what Tableau has played a smart role here. They have
Mm-hmm.
separated everything. If you want to clean the data, use Tableau preparation, Tableau
Mm-hmm.
prep. Pay amount, use Tableau prep.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to create a report or dashboard, you can use Tableau desktop. If you want to use freely, go for Tableau public.
Okay.
So like that, each and every software has its own advantage as well as some disadvantages. Right? They
Mm.
have separated. Since they have separated, large data they can import
Handle
very
easily.
easily. They can handle easily. Okay. Even I have checked in for real time my friends and all. So
Mm-hmm.
currently, right, millions of billions of data every day it is coming.
Yeah.
It's not- So for them, the most company they are using Tableau itself. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But again, since AI they have given, since Azure is there, few people are converting from Tableau to this one. What is that? Power BI, Microsoft.
Okay.
Because they have more implemented AI. In every field, they have implemented AI.
Mm-hmm.
Starting from OS to the end of all softwares.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm. Live OS extract. Any idea about this? Live OS extract. What do you mean by this?
Live connect live to current data and extract snapshot of a story. Yeah.
Or static?
La-
Yes.
l- Live versus extract means live means we are working on current data, right? As you have mentioned on the
Yes.
screen, I can see, and
Mm.
as per means, logic, also we can understand that live thing, whatever. In You can say, take the example. Suppose we are doing live online session, that is live, right?
Mm, mm,
And
mm, mm.
extract means, suppose the recording which you have just
Yes,
sent me, and I'm just watching that. So that is the data which is already stored, and we are trying to in historical data we are just fetching out here.
correct. Suppose if you're working in live time, like for example, if you're working as an employee, you'll be having live data itself because you are connecting to SQL or Azure something. It will be live. Whenever any change is happening, it will be showing you. So, for
Hmm.
example, you're and best example I can say you are going somewhere in the flight. Okay,
Hmm.
they have already
Hmm.
shared the data. You want to immediately check. So what was it? I want to see what was the report. Is what high or low? But you don't
Hmm.
have the live connection there because it is you are in flight. There is no chance you will
Hmm.
be having that live data. So that time you will check for snapshot. At least I can check for snapshot what is happening. So
Yeah.
that time we will use extract. These are the two options which is available in our Tableau, live
Hmm.
and extract. Both you can refresh. The only thing a little bit options will be changed.
Hmm.
Okay. Even this one also refresh you can do. Even this one also a refresh you can do. That means this extract is nothing but stored in your system.
Hmm.
Okay. And live is nothing but it is connecting to original like SQL
Server.
or these things. This
Yeah.
live even you can have it in your system also.
Hmm.
Both way it is possible. But you need to understand that we are connecting the live data. Is that
Hmm.
clear?
Got it. Yeah.
Okay.
The live data should be connected to like network, like Wi-Fi or something.
Nothing
And
like
when
that. So we have
oh,
two options, live and extract.
hmm.
These two options you can use even though if you have data in your system also, no problem.
Yeah, I got it. SQL
Hmm.
Server. We
Yeah, you
download
can.
that.
Yes, correct. You can have
Download.
normal Excel file also. You can connect to SQL also. Both you
Hmm.
can do. Okay, it
Hmm.
plays even your CPU or it is hard disk also. It plays in original SQL connector also. Both it will play. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is how the looks Tableau public. So when you click on this switch, it will directly switch to the your worksheets. Okay, each and
Okay.
everything they have mentioned as worksheets. Worksheets are nothing but where you can create multiple reports. Okay, So you can create
Got it.
multiple visualization in each report. What do you say? Worksheets. Then later you can create a dashboard. Then
Hmm.
later again you can create a storytelling. Okay. So now based on this, you can switch over to a worksheet. When you click on this, directly it will go to worksheet. Again, if you click, it will come to main worksheet. That is main. What do you say? Main interface. Then
Okay.
you have connect. So you can see various connectors. These are the different connectors to a server. Okay, this is available only in what I said, right?
Hmm.
Only in Tableau public. Sorry,
Yeah.
only in Tableau desktop, not in
Hmm.
public. Public, very few we have. Okay,
Okay.
so now let us go to the interface so that there I'll explain you what is what. So I'm just opening Tableau public. In the meanwhile, even you can open. Okay. So this is our interface, main interface. So you can see these are the flat files, and you can see that server. If you click on more, you can see here. So yesterday when we were in demo, you saw many things, right?
Yeah.
See here, only for free service they are giving only this much.
Hmm.
Installation, that is Google Drive, OData, and Web Data Connect. As I
Yeah.
mentioned you, if we want to use public, okay, if you don't have a desktop, so people what smartly they will do, if they are very good in how to create API or OData, they'll create that and they will connect from here. They'll get the
Okay.
link and they'll sign in. So he is given one more option. Technically, who knows how to create a OData, they can do that. But again, if they are working in company, obviously company will provide Tableau desktop itself, not like Tableau desktop public edition.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is my main interface. So for example, what I'm going to do. So if you go to documents, okay, you'll my Tableau repository will be created. Okay, if you go to documents, my Tableau repository will be created by default when you install any Tableau application. If you double click on that, okay, these are the resources we have. So here you can go for data sources and 2024.2, that is the version. A sample application, I mean sample data they have given, sample superstore. Can it go up to this, till to this?
From open we have to go, right?
Yes, I'll show you again, no problem. So you need to click on Microsoft Excel.
Okay. Got it.
Left side you can see the navigation, that is go to documents.
Yeah. Got it.
My Tableau repository is there.
Yeah.
Double click on that and you will be having from third one, that is data sources.
Yeah. Got it.
Then the version 2024 English sample superstore.
Data sources. Sample superstore is not there with me.
Okay.
I double click it.
Okay, data source, if you click any version, it is
Hmm.
showing
No,
2024.2.
nothing is there. It's
English.
empty.
Oh, it is empty.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Go to documents, my Tableau repository,
Yeah.
data sources.
Hmm.
You
Nothing is
do
there.
oh, you don't
No,
have this
none of
version.
them. No, no,
Oh,
none of
oh,
them.
nothing is there here. Okay, fine. Okay. So what you can do is,
Hmm.
um, what is that? Maybe I have installed Tableau public, so that time it got installed. Sample. Okay, this is mine, right? Mm, Sample data. Okay. Copy, chat. Please check this link. So there you'll get one sample, the first one, that is
Uh,
Superstore sales. You can
yeah, I
download
got
that.
it.
Yeah, you can download that data set and keep it in
And
any regular document where you save. Okay, you can
okay.
see here many data. Okay, Superstore
Mm,
sales is there, 2014 in Inc. 5000. These are the real time data only. And we
mm,
have entertainment, Netflix. Many people
mm,
work on Netflix. They have 2019 up to,
mm.
and Hollywood most profitable stories. So these are the real time data set which from their company they have downloaded. Okay, so
I'm
you
just
can,
saving it in download only currently. After that, I will create a folder for class. Then from there, I can.
yeah, so save it in one file, so where you
Mm,
can refer every time.
mm.
Okay, let me go to there. Sample Superstore. Okay, most of the time, whenever you see people used to train on this, any idea why they're training on only one?
Where?
First,
I'm. What's your question, sir?
so in general,
Mhm.
people will take initially when they train, they will use a sample superstore. Any idea why they are using this?
It is easier to understand with the sales stuff, right?
More than that, scenarios.
Scenarios,
You,
yeah.
okay, the
We can
main,
connect it
yeah,
to
we'll
real
get
time scenario.
all the scenarios. We won't be missing
Mhm.
any scenarios. Okay, main thing is very important scenarios we will get. So now, so you can see these are the interface, how you can see. So at present, for cleaning data, we have one more use data interpreter we can use. So when you click on this use data interpreter, it will try to clean the data and you can see here cleaned with data interpreter. So when you click on the review the results, it will show you the what it has done
Mm.
like this. So data is interpreted as column header, data interpreted as value in your data source, data derived from a Excel merge cell in interpreted as value in your data source. Okay,
Mm.
these are the keys what it has done, it will be showing you. Okay, all these things.
Mm.
But the complete cleaning you cannot do with the help of this data interpreter. Again, you have to use what? The software I said, right? Prep. Got it.
Yeah.
So few things we can do. What and all we can do is, so for example, I am dragging these orders to here. Okay. So as I mentioned, based on this, how many data types we have?
Uh, 6, 7 you showed, right?
Yeah, yeah. So you can click on this drop down and you can check here.
Mm.
So for example, here, okay, you can click on this hash symbol, number, decimal, number, whole, date and time, date, string. You can directly convert into as per your required data type. By default, it will try to understand. If it is not able to understand, you can take correct data type.
Mhm. So,
Okay.
what exactly you are doing? I'm not doing here. Just I'm looking
Okay.
at your screen. So, how
Okay.
you
What
are
I'm,
just bringing those
yeah,
data?
okay. So what you have to do is drag this. We have three things. One is orders, a people's, a returns. So for example, I'll show in this folder.
So there I can't go, right? So I haven't saved there.
Now, wherever you saved, you can just open that file.
Okay, no
So
problem.
I'll just open this sample superstore. You can identify what and all columns we have.
Yeah.
You
I
first
got it
think
now.
row ID is there, user ID, order date, ship date, all these things, segment wise, how much sales happened, everything is there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And people, okay, people in the sense like regional manager, okay, who and all there, region, west or east, then returns. So how many product order ID, which order ID has got returned? Those things
Mm-hmm.
will be there. So it means three tables we have here. Three worksheets is there, nothing but three tables. So now what I'm doing is directly I'm taking these orders, drag and drop. So Power Tableau is like drag and drop, similar to Power BI. So
Yeah.
once I have dragged and dropped, so I'm just minimizing this. I'll see only 100 rows here. By default, it will show 100 rows. But in logically, how many fields we have? Fields is nothing but columns. So we have 21 columns, that is 21 fields. How many
Mm-hmm.
rows we have? 10,194 rows. Correct.
Yeah.
Suppose if you want to see more than that, more than 100, what I can do? I can go for 1000 rows and enter. So it will go for 1000. For example, if I want to see only top 5 rows, only 5 rows. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
If you want the complete 10,000 rows, if you want, you can mention the same rows. All rows you will get it. I hope you are trying from your side till
Yeah,
this.
I'm doing that.
Yeah.
Thing is that I'm parallelly when I'm opening screen, no? So
Mhm.
I'm not able to just see all the.
I'll give you the time so you can practice because compared to Power BI, Tableau will be little bit difficult for you. Not so
Mm-hmm.
handy like Power BI.
Yeah, just hold on, please. Yeah.
Yes, yes, sure. So
So
at
I can see that
mm-hmm,
I tried to set the data
mm-hmm. You can
and
share
that.
your screen if you want to do. No
Okay,
issue.
I'll share.
Okay.
That's better.
We are doing one to one, so you can share your screen, no issue.
Just hold on, sharing.
Okay.
Suppose I just tried to open parallelly.
Okay.
So
Maximize that.
okay.
Okay. So right side you can see up arrow. Exactly. Complete right side you go. Yes, please. That's
Yeah,
it.
this it will do
Yeah.
now. Yeah,
Yes.
these are the categories, whatever you
Yes.
showed, right? Suppose
Correct. Correct.
I just change this row to 1,000,
Mm-hmm.
and suppose I want to see five, so I can see the five.
Yes. Yes. Now you can click on that ABC. Just click on that ABC.
Any product ID, okay.
No, no, ABC. The letter ABC.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are the data types.
So it's string. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a string. If you want to, if you think it is a wrong data type, it has selected automatically, you can change it. Okay.
Hmm.
Then before the drop down, go to drop down. Yeah, click on the drop down.
Okay.
So this is for cleaning data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Split is there. For example, for product ID itself, click on split.
Product ID.
Yeah, correct. You are in correct position only. Click on split.
Okay.
So what happens? What is the delimiter here? It is
That is dash.
dash. So scroll right, go to towards right end of the column.
Okay.
Yeah, drag horizontally. So you saw here it has got splitted.
Yeah, product ID. Yeah,
Yeah.
this
Now
one.
select these three and delete it. Select. Yeah. Shift. Go to the
Okay.
end. No problem. No problem. Go to the right. Select exactly top. Then shift in your keyboard. Select the end of the column
Okay. Shift.
and go to the end of the column. That is split three you have, right? Select that.
Yeah,
Yes. Do right click.
and delete.
Exactly under column you can do right click. Yes. Right click.
Now it's working.
Delete. It's not working.
Yeah, now it's working.
Okay, you can
It
select.
it was just shift and I don't know. Sometimes it's not working. My keys.
No problem.
I can do one by one. No
One
problem.
by one also no issue you can do. So once you get practice, it will get automatic. Okay. So
So
now
I
go to
tried to use shift and end and then
mm,
shift and right arrow key. In fact, though both of them
no.
I tried, it was not
Okay.
using.
Not shift end. Actually, you have to press shift and you have to take end of the column. I said end of the column. Okay.
Mhm.
Now select product ID again.
Product ID again.
The drop down. Now you can go for custom split.
Okay. Oh,
So here, suppose if it's not able to identify what it is the delimiter, what you have given, you can select here hyphen. You can give hyphen.
hmm. So I
Okay.
can just
Just you
delete
give
all.
hyphen. Nothing. It is an example it has given. Just
Yeah.
press hyphen, everything will go off.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
And split from, you want to split
Mm-hmm.
from first or last, you can select the drop down. So make it
Mm-hmm.
as last. Select the drop down and last you give. So from last one column I want. So it means after what is that? From 100 you want it. Like that you are telling.
Mm-hmm.
Then click on OK and check what happened. Go to the end of the column.
Yeah,
See?
it showed that only the
Yes.
last digit
Yes. There
after
is three things we have. First, last, or all. Like
middle.
that. Yeah. Middle is
First,
not
last,
there.
all.
First,
Okay.
last,
Okay.
all. Only it is there. Okay. Middle is not
Okay.
there. I don't know why they have
Mm.
not added it.
Okay.
Okay. So, right.
I can delete it.
Yeah, you can right click, delete it.
Sometimes my right click is not working. I have no idea it's hanging or what.
But in your keyboard also, I hope you will be having that option also in keyboard itself. Okay. So the globe icon is nothing but it is a geographical. The
Mm.
country, city, and all globe icon, right? It is a geographical. And anytime if you want to change the name, column name, you can go to drop down and you can rename.
Okay.
So can you click on drop down? Yeah. You can rename it. If you click on rename, the first option,
Oh, yeah. Mm.
so you can rename.
Okay. I can use whatever is convenient
Yeah.
for me.
Yeah. And one more thing, you can double click also, you can rename it. Similar to, I hope you have worked in Excel, right? So if you do double click, you can
Yeah,
modify the column name.
I got it. I did it like that only.
Okay,
When
done.
I suppose I'm just double clicking it, it's automatically
So, for example, what I want to do is select order date and ship date and hide it.
select
Select
order
order
date,
date and ship date with the help of shift
date,
and select the drop down,
I
hide it.
hide it. Okay.
Okay.
It got,
So now it is hidden, right?
mm,
It means what? You don't want those things for
mm,
my analyzing data, right?
mm,
So now it is
mm,
not there. But again, if I want, what to do? Okay. The
mm,
right
mm,
side, you have one settings icon, gear icon.
mm,
Click on that. Show hidden fields.
mm.
Click on that, show hidden fields. It is there.
It appeared, yeah. But
Yeah.
it's in
Now
gray.
it means what? It is hidden. When you
Mm,
analyze, it will be hidden. But if you say, no, I don't want to hide that. Again, I want to revert it back. Select that
mm.
again. Select again that order date and ship date.
Okay. Oh,
You need
that
to
I.
select that column.
Mm.
Do again drop down is there? No, go to drop down, unhide.
Oh, got it.
Okay, like this, whichever column you want to hide, you can hide or you can unhide. All the settings is there. Just go to settings and see what and all you have. That gear icon. So what and all you have below? Sort
Show
fields you
did.
have. Yeah,
Uh,
if you want to sort by data source at A to Z, you can try for A to Z ascending order. So like this.
yeah.
First comes category because B letter we don't have any column, so you're getting category.
Hmm.
Category, city, country, column ID, then it will come D, O like that. So
Oh,
again
so
you can,
it's
yes,
sorting like this. Okay. Hmm.
yes. Again you can
Sorting
click on that.
rows.
Again, yeah. You can go for try for descending as well. Yes.
Started from, yeah.
You started from yes. So again you can click on settings per table if you want to do. That also you can do. Okay.
Okay.
So again it is A to Z only, right? Per table also it is taking A to Z itself.
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
I thought
Yeah.
table wise means row wise it is doing okay.
No, table means what happens means if you have one more table also if you are connecting, so that
Hmm.
time it will connect both table and as per two table it will show that order.
Okay.
Okay. So now
Hmm.
go for settings again. So the last one Z to A.
Yeah, again it is showing like this.
Yes.
Descending order, kind of.
Yeah. Clear, right? Up to this?
Yeah.
Okay. You can stop sharing the screen. I'll show you more things. What and all we have.
So I'm just going to the
Data
data
source.
source.
Yeah, that is the original one.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. You can stop sharing screen. Let me share. Do you want any break? 5 minutes break, something?
Yes, I will
Okay.
just check. Actually, my son has holiday today, so I don't
Oh,
know what he is
okay.
doing. I just want to see what
Yeah,
he is
yeah.
doing, and I will come back in 5 minutes. Yeah,
Okay. So we will
I'll
connect
have
at
my tea.
22:45. Is that okay?
Here it's 12:10, so means after 10 minutes you are telling me, right?
Yeah. You want 5 minutes or 10 minutes?
5 minutes is fine, no problem.
Okay. Okay. I'll put a 5 minutes break then. So
Yeah,
clock
five
so
minutes.
that it will be easy for us.
Okay, no problem. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
I'm back here.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. You had coffee so soon.
Hello?
You are able to hear?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. So soon you had coffee.
Actually, it was
Hmm.
there.
Okay,
So
no
I
problem.
was I prepared 2 cups of uh, tea, so it was there.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
Grabbed it and microwave.
Okay. Okay. Now, we saw this. Okay, hide we have done. Rename. Okay. Okay, joints we'll be seeing later. But again, so for example, if you want to connect this people, okay, two tables if I want to connect, so I will double click this to show you that a diagrammatic way. So if I take people to here and place here, you can see what join is this?
It's inner join. Yeah.
Yes, it is trying to connect and it is connecting with by default it is taking inner join.
Mhm.
Okay, so now let us try if we are getting to. Okay, let me try this.
Do we need to understand the concept of SQL as well with this
Yes, of course. See,
join and all, right?
SQL, yes, SQL is very important.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
SQL is like mother. Wherever you go, SQL plays a vital role when we want to do analytical things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let me
And one
try.
more thing, what I call none, right?
Yes.
Your name is Shravanand, no?
Yeah, Saravanan.
Shravanand, yeah, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So do you have any SQL dump as well? So for practice, like, do you have any assignments which I can practice on?
Yeah, SQL dump I have. So
Yeah.
SQL dump that what is this? Um
Suppose I
I'll give.
want to practice. I have a few assignments. One of the person shared with me, but I don't.
Mhm.
I think that's not sufficient for me. I need more practice set, which I can do in SQL server
Okay,
and
okay.
Oracle Live. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give the dump data. Okay, I'll be sharing anyway. You have shared your email ID, right?
Yeah.
I will give that back file is enough, right?
SQL for practice, I have server, so I have installed that. I
No,
want
no.
the assignments. Yeah.
That's what assignment you want or data you want.
Assignments. Yeah.
No, no. What I'm asking is, you want data SQL for to work on SQL. Do you want data or you want assignments?
I want assignments. Data I have,
Hmm.
suppose employees
What
data and
data you
all.
have? Based on data only, I can give some assignments.
I have
Mhm.
employee, sales,
Okay.
this kind of data I have,
Okay, you do one thing.
hospitals.
Or we'll do one
Yeah.
thing. First, we will discuss about these things. Then you share
Mm-hmm.
me your data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Once you share me your data, based on that, I will create questions, assignment questions. I have many questions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I have
Okay.
taken from live also. That is for companies data also I have. I'll search for that. So real-time
Okay.
interview questions from
Yeah.
SQL.
Mm.
Okay.
So I need more help in SQL
Hmm.
sites parallelly. Somebody could give me some assignments so I can work on that. Yeah.
Oh, you
That
will help
that
you. Okay. Any problem in SQL, you will help them.
No, no, I need help means in
Oh,
the
you need
assignment
help.
areas.
Okay, okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
in
Got it,
assignment
got it.
areas.
Mm-hmm.
Means it's not like that you have to teach me, just assignments. If some do you have means handy assignments, so you can
Mm-hmm.
just give me and I can just work on that like that.
Okay, no problem. I'll
Yeah.
share that. No issue. Okay. So I told you, right? So when I have connected this order and people, just observe here by default, if I select this data source order, it has come from orders. If you scroll right, so the last is people, right? People is my table,
Mm-hmm.
right? So now if I click on this, I want A to Z as per ascending per table. It means what? We have to combine. We have already combined this. So when I do this, as per everything, it will connect.
Yes.
Okay. So even
Mm.
people also it will connect.
Mm.
So for example, if I go for G to A, that time will you can observe people will come first.
Mm.
People. Or yes, right. So in people we have R, so it is coming regional manager and region people. Then it
Only
is
two
starting with
columns.
orders.
Mm.
Yes,
Mm.
only two columns we have in that, right?
Mm.
Okay. So then afterwards, what you can do? You can go to worksheet. Once you have imported data and once you have created table,
Mm.
so go to sheet. This is pane. Okay, these are called pane. Okay.
Okay.
So now we'll go for sheet one. So here is that report you have to create. That is a worksheet you have to create. Okay. Each thing we call it as selves. Column self, row self, pages self, filter self, and this we call it as marks card.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the left side you can see tables. Okay. So in Power BI desktop, so you might see instead of tables, we'll have one more called dimension. Okay. Before they
Yeah.
were indicating it is a dimension. Dimension is nothing but categorical things. And if you scroll down, these are measure names. The numerical
Mm.
things are they have given measure names. The next is called latitude and longitude. Whenever if you want to use any a globe for country and all, so you can make use of this longitude and latitude.
Yes.
Okay. So you can see two tables we have. One is order, the another
Weather
one is
is.
people. It is already connected with the help of inner join.
Mm.
Okay. So now if I want to see this is a canvas. Okay, this is my canvas. It is similar to Excel. So have you worked on pivot table in
Yeah,
a
I have worked
okay.
on means there just we put some
Analyzing data?
formulas
Okay,
and just analyze accordingly. Yeah,
yes. Similar
and the
to
graph
pivot
will be
table.
created.
Yes, correct. Similar to that pivot table only, you will be having here drag and drop, column rows. Either you
Mm.
want the things in category you want column, you can take it. Or if you want to row, you can take it. So wherever you want, you can take it. The picture will be shown here. The graph will be shown here. On the right
Okay.
side, you can see show me. If you click on this show me, you will get this 24 different chart types.
Yes. Mm.
Okay. With the help of marks card, you can give some colorful for chart.
Mm.
Whether you want label or if you want to increase the size of the chart or if you want to give some color to make understand very clearly and detail if you want or tooltip if you want, you can add it. Okay.
Yes.
So for example, what we will do is I will take sales. I will drag the sales into rows.
Mm.
Okay. So sales I have done, but I want to see in the form of category. So what I can do, I can drag the category into columns. It will show like this.
Yes.
Okay. And you can double click this and you can change the sheet name also. By default, sheet 1 is there, right? So if I
Yeah.
want to change category wise, I can do like this.
Yes.
Category wise sales. If you want to increase the font size, you can increase. If you want to do bold, you can do. If you want to make it as middle alignment, you can do. Apply similar to Word document, Excel document, you can do like this.
Okay.
Okay. So now what I want to do is, so for example, I don't want in the vertical, I want in horizontal bar. That is column chart. Now it is in column chart, but I want it in bar chart. How I can do it? You can see different tabs here, right? Data,
Mm,
worksheet, these are called different tabs. If you go
mm.
to particular tabs, you can see many actions here. Different action things or the dashboard, everything. So now here what I'm going to do is, instead of column chart, I want bar chart. How I can do? So I can have some commands here. You can see here. What is this?
This
Swap
is swap
rows and
rows one.
columns. What is
Yeah.
the shortcut key we have?
Control plus W.
Yes, you can do control W. You can observe. This will
Yeah.
go to category. Okay, always remember this blue color is nothing but dimension. This green color is nothing but measures.
Mm.
Okay. And as I told, in backend, whatever you do, this aggregation, sum, average, median, anything you do, in backend it is writing some code.
Query.
Yeah,
Mm. Mm.
exactly. Similar to query, it is writing some, similar to SQL, it is writing some query, calculated
Code.
field.
Mm.
So by default, whenever you drag, have you observed? I have not given any purpose like I want only sum, I want average. Directly I have dragged it. Once I dragged it, it has took sum itself directly. It is by default they have programmed like that.
Yes.
Whenever user do that, initial by default give them sum itself.
Mm.
So if I want to change this, what I can do? I can double click this.
Mm.
So from here I can write the formula. I'll do backspace. I'll do A and I will see whether AVG or average. Yeah,
Mm.
average is there. So I'll select average. Inside that is nothing but expressions. And do enter. Now we got average. So I'll
Mm.
uncheck this. You got average. Similar to that, you can use different aggregations. Got it.
Yes.
So let me swap this. If I want to do some color, if I want to give some color for this. So what I can do, if you want to
I
give
can
some,
go for the marks and color. You will
yes.
off color.
So
Yeah.
for example, sales I want label. I can go for select, drag and put into label.
Mm.
Okay, if you want to increase this, just place somewhere here and increase this like this.
Mm.
Then I want color. If I want to do some color wise, so what I can do, so I'll go for category wise. I'll make it as color. So I want different color.
Mm.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Then you have additional formats also. So for example, if you click on this drop down, you have formats.
Mm.
Format this legend or all legend. So you can go for here. This is the additional settings formats. So however you want, you can select. These are settings. However you want, you can select. These are the font body, whatever you want. These are additional settings it is. Bold or italic. See, are you able to, are you seeing?
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay. So something is happening like this. Why I'm doing like this is once you create a dashboard, this everything will be viewable under dashboard. However you want, you can do. You want to format legend, or if you want to edit title, so all things you can do it. And if I want to sort it, so how I can sort? So for example, you can see here a small icon you can see.
Yeah.
If you click on this, you can see here. Okay, this is what ascending
Okay.
to descending.
This is.
Don't get confused. Arrow is same only, but in the icon wise, you can see the bar wise. This is ascending. This is descending.
Descending. Yeah.
Okay. Suppose if you want to select sum or select average sales, then you can make it as ascending. or descending, like
Okay.
this. But I want original also. If I want means I can make use of this quick sorting. Okay, if I click on this, first is ascending, the next is descending, the next is original. What we had
And
initial, that one.
mm-hmm.
Okay. So if I want to add more things, so for example, if I want to add subcategory as well, I want to see subcategory how much. So I will go for subcategory. I'll drag and drop it. So subcategory also it will show. So furniture how much, office supply how much, technology. Based on this, can you understand and tell me which is the average sales is best? Which category
uh,
has good average sales?
Technology,
Okay, under technology, which one?
the copiers.
OPS. So based on this, we can identify and we can give some solutions to the higher stakeholders.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Now I can do some swap as well like this. So this is a better view, right? Instead of that, this is
Yes.
better view.
Yeah,
Okay.
it
So
looks better.
yeah. Whenever I said right, whenever the lengthy label is there, if you use column instead of column chart, bar chart is better for understanding.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then, so for example, every time I cannot keep on dragging things like this category, subcategory. So instead of that, what I'm going to do is I'll remove this category also. Okay. Just drag and drop. Okay. So I will check sales. You can do double click also, or you can drag it. And here I want to create a hierarchy. What is hierarchy? What do you mean by hierarchy?
That means order. Hierarchy means order. Like suppose
Any example?
the so suppose in a company, you
Hmm.
can see the employees and the managers and the company VP and CEO. So this is the hierarchy of designation. So
Correct.
this is known as like that.
Yes, correct. So for example, in general, what happens is since it is a BI tool, business intelligence tool,
Mm,
whenever you have date column, so for example, we have order date right here.
mm,
When I click on drop this into column,
mm.
automatically it will create a hierarchy.
Yes.
Year. When you click on this plus year, I want to see year wise. Now what I want to see year as well as quarter wise. So in the year 2021, how much was sales? In quarter one, how much? Quarter four, how much? So
Mm,
maximum I can observe quarter four is good performance, right?
mm, mm.
Year of order rate 2024, Q3 sales you can see how much it is. Why the dip is there? You can see where it is the dip. Similar to that, if you want to see day wise, again select month wise you will get. Again,
Yeah.
if you select day wise you will.
Yeah.
So anytime if you don't want all this, you can do minus and you can remove it. Okay. This is called as discrete. Any idea about discrete and continuous?
Discrete means in the form of breaking format. The data is in broken format, and continuous means without any break. Mm.
Correct. Can you give any example? Like for example, we can say way this one. Number of apples. Suppose someone is bringing apples. Number of apples we can say how much? Two, three, four, like that you can say. Can you say
Yeah.
4.5, 3.5?
No.
Okay. For example, height, weight, how much you can say? There will be
That is
decimal will come.
decimal.
3 point,
Decimal will.
yes, decimal will come. So decimal,
Mm.
these things are called as continuous, where we won't get similar to what you said, that is called discrete. Now what I'm going to do, I'm selecting this. You have one is discrete, another is continuous,
Mm,
right?
mm.
So year, that's it. Like this, quarter, month. So break you can see like this. Similar to that, if you want to go for year, discrete, year. Are you able to understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So it will give like this break. So can you practice from your side? Have you ever practiced this? No, right?
I was not practicing because
But you are
I
seeing.
yeah, I was seeing because
Mm.
parallelly when I'm doing, I can see half screen of yours and half mine. So
Yeah. They
that
can
was
share. You
giving me
can share your screen and you can practice. So then
yeah.
we will check where any error you are doing or any mistake so that I can guide you.
Okay,
Okay.
can you please allow me?
So I'll just stop sharing screen so you can share it.
Not allowing me.
Wait. I will stop sharing.
Okay, no problem.
Still you are able to see my screen, no, right?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, I'm just stopping. Yeah, now
Yeah,
you can do.
hold on, please.
Learn slowly. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this was my screen, and
Okay.
now I'm trying to connect two tables.
Okay.
You want me to from the joins, right?
Not required. Joins you understood, right? How it is? Just connect
Yeah.
it. Yeah. Just drag and drop correspondingly in the
So
horizontal way.
orders and people, yeah, people.
Yes. Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Yeah, so it's not
got it.
connected.
Now go to sheet one.
Hmm. Sheet one and orders. So I can't see the join here.
No, what you have to do is if you do double click in orders, that time you can see joins. Double
Okay.
click we have to do. Okay. Now if you connect people, that time you will get to know. So for example, what you do is, so you have already given connection, yeah.
Oh, I
So
got it.
one more people one will come. Remove it. Drag and remove it
Okay.
because you can see that number has come. Yes. Okay. Then close that. Do one thing. You close this. That
Hmm.
close cancel mark is there. No, do that cancel mark. Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Remove people also. Drag and drop outside. Now double click orders.
okay.
Okay. Now you drag the people to the right words to the
Okay.
orders. Now you can see the inner join.
Yeah, only one people is there.
Yeah. You can go for settings and you can check for order by table A to Z to A is better.
Hmm.
The last one. No, this is
Yeah.
normal, right? You won't get here. As per table, because table we have combined two table. The last one it will get the picture like
Yeah.
this. Okay.
Two people and remaining are order. Yeah.
Correct.
It's two
Yes.
columns. So I'm means in the correct format.
Yes.
Now I will do sheet.
Sheet one.
Yeah, sheet one, and I can
Now,
rename.
yeah.
Suppose I want to see the category versus say category wise sale you said. So I'm also
Yes.
giving this category wise sales. Suppose I want to.
If you want to increase the font size, you can do.
Yeah. So should I select this? Yeah.
Yeah, you need to select it. Then you can do it. Yeah.
And I want to bold and I want to make it in the middle.
Yes.
So and
Apply
apply.
and okay.
Apply.
And
Okay.
okay. Yes.
This is the category wise sales,
Yeah.
and now I will just drag category here,
Yes.
and now sales is here,
Scroll down, you will get under measures.
measures name.
Yeah, below that. Not that
Oh yeah,
one. Below that, sales is there, right? Drag and drop.
products. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, why I'm doing this?
You pay, put it in the column, no problem. Drag that category and put it into column. Anything. That's fair. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Category and sales. So I'm
Yes.
seeing like, and
Yes.
suppose I want to uh, look at
Subcategory. Drag subcategory and put it into rows.
subcategories. Subcategory is there,
Yes.
and here.
Yes.
So it is showing the categories, the
Yeah.
furniture of this
Yeah.
subcategory.
Now if I want in column wise, what you will do? Now it is in bar chart, but I want to
Yeah.
show in the column wise. How you can do? Swap it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Swapping. Yes. Okay.
You can use Control W also.
Hmm.
Yes.
Control
Now
W as well.
give some colorful. Category wise, I want to give some color.
So category I will select
Not there. You can select here. Again
here
in
on.
the tables, left side you have, right?
Oh yeah.
The complete left side. Orders. Yeah.
Okay.
From there, category to color.
Category
Drag
to
and put it into color. Drag it and put it into drop into color. Drag the
like this.
category. No, no, no.
Okay.
From left side, drag the category
Hmm.
and drop into colors under mark cards.
Oh,
That's
like that.
like this.
Oh,
Like this you have to do.
oh, miss, this category I will put here. So
Yes,
this will
yes.
show the color like
Correct,
this.
correct. No need to whichever you
Put
have
in
done
the
already,
means.
no need to drag again that one. Okay.
Hmm.
So now I want label. How you will do? I want sales label. So
So
select the
I
sales
sales and then I will drop it into level, right?
label exactly. Label under mark card. That's it.
Oh, got it. Hmm.
Okay. Suppose I
Hmm.
want to see profit as well. How you will do? Sales you are
Prof.
showing me. Profit add
So
into tooltip. Select the profit and add into tooltip. So drag
tool
and
tip.
yeah,
Okay.
drag and
Okay.
drop under mark card tooltip. That's it. Now place your mouse under any one column. Yeah. Now what is that? Ca-
Category,
Fun.
subcategory, profit and sales.
That is what tooltip.
Oh, miss this
Okay.
this the when highlighted things whenever I'm moving the cursor, right?
hmm
The box one.
Whenever you place the cursor and the box, it in by default sales anybody can see. But
Mm-hmm.
if you want to show them profit, you just uh, click on that particular bar or not clicking. Just place your mouse, a pointer, and particular bar. You can show them. See this. This is the profit.
Yeah.
Like tooltip. Instead
Mm-hmm.
of putting everything and getting jumbled, we can in professionally we can show them like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now remove category and subcategory. Check for order date. Drag and
Category.
yeah, remove that. Yes. Drag and
Mm.
drop anywhere outside if it will go off. That's it. So let it be sales, let it be in below to marks card also you remove everything. Below to mark
Okay.
self, yeah, remove everything. Yeah. Drag and drop outside. That's it. That's it.
I can select all.
All it is you have to do
Yeah, it's
control, then you
working.
can
Yeah, it's
yeah.
working.
Yeah. Okay, done. Now go for order date and drag it into columns.
Order date.
Order date will be in categorical itself, right? Still you have to do scroll up.
Yeah, order date is there.
Yeah. Yeah, drag that into columns, column self. Perfect. So now you are showing me year wise. So I want to see month wise also.
I'll add it.
Yes, quarter wise. Then month wise.
And the day wise.
Yes.
Like this we can see. So I want to
Yes.
remove, then one by one I can remove it.
At a time you can click on year, that also it will go. Everything will go.
Okay.
Okay. Multiple things we can do it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is it clear so far?
Yeah.
Okay, then great. Now we'll create a manual hierarchy. Okay, you can stop your sharing your screen. Okay. Okay. I hope you can see my screen.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. Now, so let me select order date. Okay. This is discrete. This is continuous. You can see here. Here also
Mm. Yeah.
continuous like this. Can select this. I can select discrete.
Mm.
Okay. Now the next is more. Okay. For example, I want to go more. I can
Mm.
go for custom. Here, if I want years, I can show. If you scroll down, or you can go for like this also. Month, day, year. I want everything. Complete details I want. I can click on OK like this. Month, day, and year. Okay. Suppose if I want only month or year, I can go for this like this. If you
Mm.
select this, it will show you month, year of order date. December 2023. Custom. Custom you can select. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is hierarchy. I said since it is a BI tool, it will understand date will be having date. I have to create a hierarchy like quarter, year, month, day, everything.
Mm.
Whereas even for category also, I want to create my own hierarchy. What I can do is so select subcategory. Okay, scroll up until you see the category. Sometime it never comes. Okay, okay, here it is. Select this and put it here near above
Oh.
category. And for this, you give the name as, let me give as product. Okay, then click on OK. So now what happens? Have you saw this hierarchy symbol? Are you able to see the hierarchy symbol?
Yeah.
Okay. So whenever I select, I have both. What I can do directly, I can select this hierarchy which I had created now. Now I can similar to how we have practiced for years, quarter, I think, right? So if you click
Yeah.
on plus, you'll get subcategory like this.
Oh.
Manual hierarchy we have done. Instead of every time drag and drop subcategories separately, you can do this. If you
Oh.
want to add more, what you can do, for example, we have one more thing is product also. You might have observed product name also is there.
Mm.
Or, okay, let me take product name. Click on drop down. Okay.
Mm.
Then you'll be having hierarchy. Add to hierarchy product.
Okay.
Okay. It has added now. So now if I click on category, if I click on subcategory, I'll get product names. So anytime if you think I don't want category or if you think subcategory is not required, remove that subcategory. Have only category and product name. Anytime if you think only product name if I want, remove category as well.
Mm.
Have only product name. Swap and see.
Yeah.
Got it?
Mm.
So in this way we can analyze the data in different way. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. And if you want to see fit width, you have fit height like this. Entire
Sharma,
view.
one question here. Suppose
Yes.
somebody is giving certification of Tableau, so they will ask such kind of small questions, or means how we are merging the columns or like this. This kind of thing they will ask or something else. Like,
No. Technically, what they do is they will give some scenario.
oh,
Okay. They'll give
mm,
scenario and they will ask. There won't be any correct answer, wrong answer.
oh,
They want to understand whether you are able to analyze and tell the result. Sometime
okay.
answers will be there, sometime there won't be correct, there won't be wrong answer. Just they want to understand how good you are in telling the story,
Navigations, yeah. Huh.
how good you are in telling the story, how good you are in analyze thing how it is, everything they want. However, whichever certification you have, how much our experience you have, you keep it just an eligible for that. It is an eligible.
Hmm.
They'll keep it side and they'll start asking question. For that question, you have to give maximum answers correctly. Okay. For few
Interview.
questions, there won't be any correct answer or wrong answer. They want to just check your skill, how good you are.
Okay.
Okay. If you have, suppose if you are telling experience is you have good experience, most of the time experienced people will get less questions.
Hmm.
Freshers will be having more questions,
Hmm.
right? So to
Hmm.
filter out what they will do, sometime to filter out for more people, experienced people had come means to filter out they will give tough questions, very difficult questions they'll give.
Hmm.
But as per my understanding, if you want to try in foreign, that is US itself, it will be easy for you. I hope so. Compared to India, you are trying there itself, right?
Yeah, I'm trying here.
Okay, it's
Market is
in.
not good yet because
Oh,
experienced are also waiting
mhm.
for getting market up.
But someone
So
said like in 2024, now it is already market is booming right now for data analyst, data science. It is
can
booming. They were
say
telling.
micro
Mhm.
level because we are here, so we are understanding that
Correct,
the
correct. That
people
is the
around us
reality.
what they are
Reality.
facing.
That is the
Because my
reality.
husband is also applying for many jobs.
Uh-huh.
The way he used to get call, not
Now,
now.
okay, okay. More recession is that then. Still, it has to be. Got it.
Market, what US
Mm-hmm.
is trying to portray
Mm-hmm.
that economically it is good
Mm-hmm.
or what you can't say.
Okay, even that is there. More people are
Yeah.
jumping into same field, right? That is one more.
Yeah.
Right. More people are jumping into the same field. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
And one more thing, what I observed is even though more people jump into the same field, more openings are there, they were telling. For data analyst, data science, they want more people, it seems. They are not getting skilled people, it seems.
Like
Jobs are open. They are not getting skilled people, they were
some
telling.
people says that because of AI the market is down.
Yeah, maybe because of that also it will be there. Who knows how to make AI? They are getting survive. Who knows how to
Yeah.
make use, how to utilize AI? Even they are surviving.
Yeah.
Two ways. Either one way we have to occupy ourselves.
Hmm.
Okay. So far, so good. Have you understood everything, whatever we have covered today, or any
Yeah.
questions you have?
No, I will practice this what
Yeah,
you
please.
did at last. So I will
Mm-hmm.
do that. And
Okay.
what is the means your pattern of giving assignments and all? Means you will give me for weekends, or I will practice during that
Like
time.
how you want, like daily you want, or better I will give for weekend so that you will get some time, right?
Yeah, that is my
Mm-hmm.
thing because I'm doing part time as well. So 3 to 8 I will be occupied. After that, I have to just give time for home house as well, right? Son's homework and all. So I am all
Understood.
every day I'm free just for class in the morning, and I will be doing my assignments from Friday to Sunday.
Okay.
That is my like planning.
Okay, fine. So you said you will be sharing your screen and tell about SQL.
Yeah, sequel I can say you.
Mm-hmm.
Just hold on, please. What I have.
Okay.
Where is my SQL SQL developer server? You know, this is the usual data. Most of the people have the same,
Okay.
like HR admin kind of. Just hold on,
Mm-hmm.
please. I'm sharing.
Okay.
You see this?
Yes.
I have installed this Oracle SQL developer because I
Mm-hmm.
had space in my system. Now I am doing that SQL live, Oracle.
Okay.
So
Okay.
they're not admin HR. I usually work with this.
Mm-hmm. Okay. In real time, when you worked as a in your company,
I
right?
don't know that license has been expired or what. Yeah, the
Mm-hmm.
password and license has been expired. It's not working now. Connection. Cloud,
Anyway, you have this one, right? Microsoft SQL, or you want in Oracle only you're working.
I'm working on Oracle only.
Okay.
I think this been expired. I would have to check for the password.
Okay. No problem. Okay. So,
HR
mm,
data like
mm,
employees
mm,
and all
so in that
those
you
things.
want something different assignments.
Yeah, different assignments or
Mm-hmm.
SQL Live. I can see. It did it. If here I do usually start coding. No,
Okay. This is a free.
this is free.
Okay. But it
You
is a
can
cloud,
get here.
cloud, right?
Yeah, it's cloud.
Mm. It is
So
free
you
for
can get.
everyone or only person who has this one?
No, this is for everyone. Anyone
Okay,
could do
okay, okay,
SQL Live.
okay then.
Or you can prepare your own table or your database like that there, and you
Okay.
can just work on that.
But very few features only, right? Not
No, very
everything.
few. Just like you say in public, that is
Mm.
the same thing.
Yeah, yeah, safety. Complex, we cannot add it. Complex
No,
data and all.
you need to create your own data if you want, if they are that is allowing you.
Okay, understood. Okay then. So tomorrow, Tuesday is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will be joining, right?
Yeah, until Friday I will be joining this time, and from next weekend I'm no next week I will be connecting from Monday to Thursday.
Okay, Monday to Thursday. Okay. Anything
Now,
if you
yeah,
want
that
to
that
inform, you
would be
can
my
inform
regular
in
schedule.
WhatsApp group, like to coordinator.
Yeah, that I already spoke to her that this
Hmm.
weekend actually we had to start. So
Okay.
I didn't want to waste time, so I started from today onwards. And
Okay.
from next week, I will do from Monday to Thursday.
Okay. My voice is audible, right? No issue, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
sorry about that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then we'll. It is almost over.
And
11:30.
recording you will share where?
Recording, you can contact. I think
Okay.
Vaibhav. One second.
There are two, three people in group. Oh,
You can contact Abhinav.
okay, fine.
So he will share you. Okay. Today I will upload. So he'll be
Yeah.
sharing you.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
Okay then. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Shavna. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. See you.
You.